Now we are seeing artificial intelligence. What is the effect of artificial intelligence on the job opportunities of many individuals? See, we have seen so many technological changes. We have seen telephones with cables. Now we are using mobile phones. We have seen type machines. Now we are using, we have shifted to laptops after personal computers. So there is so much development is happening, and so much changes, upgradation is happening in technology sector to improve the communication, information, and accuracy means reliability. So latest affecting job opportunities is artificial intelligence. So we have seen earlier the financial sector was in the main, all records were maintained physical sector, means all the records were on paper. There was a lot of criticism and also opposition when the computers were introduced in the banking sector, finance sector. But after some time, the people are accommodated, adjusted. Now the productivity is improved. Now the people are comfortable with the systems what they are using in the finance sector. In the same way, we have seen the shifting from cable-based telephone to cardless mobile phones. That time also there was a lot of resistance to adopt these systems, and that also, and now people are just means generation. People are accepting the advancement of technology for the better productivity and also reliability of the data, reliability of the information. So with the artificial intelligence, new technology modules, what is the impact? Because of this, because the implementation of AI tools in any sector, the productivity will improve, the time gap will reduce, and the defect will reduce, the diversion will also reduce, and it will ensure uniformity in implementation, uniformity in activities, manufacturing sector, service sector, delivery, everything will happen impartially. So there are claims that because of artificial intelligence tools, the people may lose jobs. But according to the senior investors in technology, senior entrepreneurs, senior CEOs of the topmost technology companies in India and global also, the opinion that every time there will be a criticism for disruptions or disturbances that will be there initially, but after that the people will accommodate, people will be used to adjust to the changes and will adapt wholeheartedly. Any upgradation, any technology improvement has resulted into temporary loss, but gain of uh, job opportunities, income opportunities, efficiency, productivity in the longer run. The main concern of artificial intelligence is led to the job loss. These technological disruptions historically expanded employment opportunities by creating new jobs requiring different skill sets. Means the new jobs will be available, only upgraded skill set, but the existing skill sets may has to be upgraded to accept, to adapt the advanced artificial intelligence tools available to improve the productivity. So if those people who are unable to adopt the technology upliftment, technology upgradation, they may have to lose their job opportunities. But those people who are ready to accept and adopt the technological disruption means improvement, artificial intelligence will be able to get better opportunities, better source of income, and also better respect in the during the services. All this will artificial intelligence will never reduce jobs. It will create new jobs with higher efficiency, better performance, and also for better productivity. The system sparked fears of a job losses, but ultimately led to expansion of employment in the banking sector in the previous decade, previous what we call previous century. So, especially in the banking sector, there are a lot of opposition when these computers were introduced in the financial sector. But all the employees have started adopting the adapting the technology were made available to them, and now it became a productivity and accuracy productivity tool for accuracy and reliability of the data, and that is giving lot of confidence to the consumers, not also consumers, service providers, producers, consumers. What we require is maintenance work. Maintenance work could continue to generate opportunities. So all these artificial intelligence tools needs to be maintained, regularly monitored for performance accuracy, and this artificial intelligence autonomous coding task may task jobs may be affected, but if the employee skill is upgraded, they may be adopt the artificial intelligence tools to ensure higher productivity. For this purpose, what the employees has to do is self-learning technologies, including Internet of Things, healthcare delivery, productivity improvements, agriculture as way of mega trends. All this will help to improve the employment opportunities, also productivity, possible with advanced large language module based on AI tools could disrupt traditional software services business models. What we need to upgrade to upgrade the effective usage of artificial intelligence tools is to deep learning and neural networks. Technologies that by now a child learns will open up large opportunities, especially in a country with uneven education levels. So India is one of the place where there is a uh, uneven education facilities and large opportunities for people who studied the technology from the education school level. This will improve the coordinated retaining efforts in solving corporate leaders and policymakers to ensure junior employees are not left behind by technological change in healthcare, and this will artificial intelligence tools will bridge rural comms gap, particularly as many medical graduates prefer urban practice, establishing low-cost diagnostic centers in villages to specialists through digital platforms could improve the service delivery. So technology-led transmission in agriculture that will adopt major portion of India's population depends on farming, whereas the sector contributes less number of less number of proportion of country's GDP. So the GDP of the people who are GDP of the sector, agriculture sector has to be improved with the help of using artificial intelligence tools to improve the quality, productivity, production, and the delivery. All this will help to improve the productive agriculture sector, which is contributing less compared to other sectors based on the people involved, means the people employed by the sectors by different sectors.